To set double press S Pen button for media as play previous track. In Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select S Pen, tap add actions, scroll down the screen, and then on media tap double press menu. Select play previous track. Now, double press F10 button for media set as play previous track. To use, open your media, for example, in video, and then well, play in full screen, and then double press your F10 button to previous track. Double press to previous track. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.